Hello and welcome to the Excel Replicator tool tutorial. First thing you want to do is obviously press the download button if you haven't already. I have downloaded the file, so I'm not going to download it again. You might get this message. Simply click here on the arrow button and press keep. This is because it's not a common tool, and obviously that is true because it's just launched now. And then you open it. Your antivirus might also complain a bit, but that's fine. Simply click on more info and run anyway, and this is because it's not a common tool again. So then you click on yes to allow it to run. Once the setup shows up, you click on install. Once you've installed, you can close the installation file. So you'll find your installed file in Desktop, One-Click Solutions, Excel Replicator. So you'll be given all these files with the sample file. I'll show you what the sample file contains. The sample file is based on a rubric made for teachers to mark, and you get 1 mark for this question, 1 mark for that question, and you get 100%. So you can do this for more than 1 Excel files. In this case, say you have 10 assignments you want to mark, so you can prepare it beforehand. So you want it to replicate for student A, student B, student C. You can paste more names or you can type if you want. That's up to you. Save the file and close it. Then you just have to run the Excel Replicator.exe file, which is the program itself. It may take up to a minute to load the program, and once it does load, it will. So it's still loading, and this depends on the computer you have. So it's done loading, then it's going to ask you to pick a file or more than 1 file. In my case, we're just using 1. So you open it, the file is replicated. It will take you to the PayPal page asking you for donations. I would appreciate if you donate to keep the website running. Once that's done, you go to results page. You can sort it by date modified. In this case, I'll put it this way because I want the latest one. And then it's going to show you the file and all the replicated ones. I'm just going to open one of them. In this case, student C's file, and then go on marking and finish the work. That is the Excel Replicator tool. I hope it helps you. Thank you very much.